Bailey loves playing with her toy blocks. She can build giant ships, towering castles, and awesome dinosaurs. She has wooden blocks, plastic blocks, Lego blocks, and much more. But she doesn't like to mix her toy blocks. They're all ordered neatly in her toy box. That is, until her husky Rufus races into the room. Woof, woof, Rufus barks. He leaps up on his hind legs and knocks over Bailey's toy box. Rufus, bad boy, yells Bailey, chasing him out of the room. Her face turns a deep crimson. Her eyes narrow, and she grinds her teeth, taking in the mess. The blocks are all over the floor. They're all mixed together. What is she going to do? Bailey stamps her foot and scratches her head. Eventually, she closes her eyes, trying to calm down. Suddenly, a picture appears in her mind. I know, cheers Bailey. I'm going to use all my blocks to make one huge city. Before her idea vanishes, she grabs a load of wooden blocks. Carefully, she lays down the blocks, one by one. In one corner, a towering mansion appears. She reaches for the plastic blocks. On another side, a fire station pops up. And finally, Bailey puts the open sign on a new shop made of Lego.